Are you looking for an effortless way to manage lists in your Blazor applications? Say hello to Syncfusion's Blazor ListBox component, a feature-packed tool designed to handle all your list-based needs with ease. Let's start with selection options. The ListBox offers multiple and single selection modes. By default, you can select multiple items, but you can easily switch to a single selection if needed. Want to make it even more convenient? Enable checkbox selection with an option to select all items at once. You can also set a limit on how many items users can select. Easily bind data from various sources like JSON collections or remote data sources using adapters like OData, Web API, JSON, and more. Looking to rearrange selected items? You can either use keyboard shortcuts to move selected items up or down within the same list. Or even you can use the toolbar actions to do the same. And speaking of moving items, you can easily drag and drop items within the same list or across multiple lists. This makes managing and transferring list items super intuitive. For dual listbox scenarios, you can use the toolbar settings and the scope property to move items between lists using toolbar buttons. Want to make your list more organized? The ListBox supports grouping items by category, helping you navigate quickly. You can also sort items alphabetically in ascending or descending order. For longer lists, enable a scrollable view by setting the component's height. Finding items is quick too. With filtering option turned on, you can type in a search box to quickly narrow down the list. You can even control the type of filtering, such as starts with, ends with, or contains. Some items may not always be relevant. No problem. You can disable specific items to make them unselectable. When it comes to styling, ListBox is highly customizable. Choose from built-in themes like Tailwind, Material, or Bootstrap, or customize it with your own custom CSS classes. Looking for a horizontal layout? Use the CSS class property to display items in a horizontal list. Want to add a personal touch? Use icons with the icon CSS property. Or design fully customized list items using templates. Also add images, text, or any other elements to make your list truly unique. And of course, the Blazor ListBox is fully accessible. It uses YARIA attributes, making it compatible with assistive technologies. It also supports keyboard navigation and right-to-left layouts, ensuring inclusivity for all users. And did I mention it's fully responsive, working seamlessly across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Ready to transform how you manage lists? Try Syncfusion's Blazor ListBox today and discover how it can simplify and enhance your Blazor apps.